Over 60? Add this to your morning coffee to rebuild muscles fast. What if I told you that the same morning ritual you've had for decades, your cup of coffee, could actually become your secret weapon for rebuilding muscle? Most people over 60 believe muscle loss is just part of aging, something you can't fight. But I'm about to show you how adding one simple, inexpensive ingredient to your coffee can help you start rebuilding strength naturally, beginning tomorrow morning. This isn't about expensive supplements or complicated treatments. What I'm sharing with you today is probably already sitting in your kitchen cabinet. The reason your muscles are weakening has a name: sarcopenia. It's the gradual loss of muscle mass that naturally happens as we age. What most people don't realize is that the solution isn't only about exercising more. It's about giving your body the right nutrition at the right time of day. That's why your morning coffee is the perfect delivery system. As someone who has spent over 12 years studying muscle health in older adults, I've seen this simple ritual help countless people regain strength they thought they had lost forever. And the best part, it costs less than $5 to get started. Today, I'll share 3 powerful additions you can make to your coffee. Number 2 is something most doctors rarely talk about, but it not only feeds your muscles, it helps protect your joints too. Let's start with the first one, and it might surprise you because you probably already have it in your pantry. Ingredient number 1, dark cocoa powder. Adding just 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened dark cocoa powder to your coffee can boost muscle protein synthesis by up to 25%. In simple terms, that means it helps your muscles, especially your legs, get the building blocks they need to grow stronger. Why does this work? Cocoa is rich in flavonoids, especially one called epicatechin. These compounds improve blood flow to your muscles and help your body use protein more efficiently. Think of it as opening up the highways that deliver nutrients directly to your muscles right when they need them most. How to use it? Start with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder in your morning coffee. Stir it in well. If the taste is too bitter, you can add a touch of honey or stevia. Drink this within 30 minutes of waking up, when your body is most primed for muscle growth. After a week, if you enjoy the taste, you can increase to 2 tablespoons. I worked with Helen, a 67-year-old from Ohio who struggled just climbing her basement stairs to do laundry. After 3 weeks of adding cocoa to her morning coffee, she told me she was taking those stairs 2 at a time. The change wasn't only in her legs, she said her energy lasted throughout the day. Now, cocoa helps build your muscles during the day. But this next ingredient works like a night shift crew, repairing and strengthening your muscles while you sleep. Ingredient number 2, collagen peptides. Collagen peptides give your muscles the exact amino acids they need to rebuild stronger. They also protect your joints, which is crucial for staying active and steady on your feet. Here's why it works. After the age of 20, our bodies produce about 1% less collagen each year. Collagen isn't just for skin, it's the framework that holds your muscles and joints together. Adding collagen peptides to your coffee gives you pre-digested protein that goes straight to work repairing muscle fibers and strengthening connective tissues. How to use it? Add 1 scoop, about 10 grams, of unflavored collagen peptides to your cocoa coffee. It dissolves completely and has no taste. When combined with cocoa's flavonoids, it creates the perfect environment for muscle repair and joint support. If possible, choose collagen from grass-fed sources. Vegetarians can use plant-based amino acid blends, which offer similar, though slightly different, benefits. Paul, a 72-year-old retired carpenter from Texas, had such stiff knees that he gave up his daily walks with his wife. After 6 weeks of adding collagen to his coffee routine, not only was he walking again, he was also helping neighbors with small repair jobs. His wife told me, "It feels like I've got the old Paul back." So the first 2 ingredients focus on building and repairing. But this third one is about energy and endurance, helping you feel strong all day long. Ingredient number 3, MCT oil. Adding just half to 1 teaspoon of MCT oil to your coffee provides clean, lasting energy that fuels your muscles and brain for hours, without the afternoon crash. Why does it work? MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides. Unlike regular fats that take hours to digest, MCTs are absorbed quickly and converted into usable energy within minutes. This not only fuels your brain and muscles but also supports the muscle building process by keeping you active. And remember, active muscles are strong muscles. How to use it? Start with half a teaspoon of MCT oil in your coffee and slowly increase to 1 teaspoon. Stir it in after you've added the cocoa and collagen. Some people like to blend their coffee for 10 seconds to create a creamy, frothy texture. Be sure to start slow. Too much MCT too quickly can cause digestive upset. If you have gallbladder issues, check with your doctor first. You can also use coconut oil as a gentler alternative. Linda, a 65-year-old grandmother from Florida, used to need a nap every afternoon. After adding MCT oil to her coffee, she said she was keeping up with her 4-year-old grandson at the playground. She calls it her grandma fuel. Now here's something crucial. The magic isn't only in what you add, it's also when you drink it and how consistent you are. Your muscles follow a natural rhythm. They're most receptive to building and repair in the morning after fasting overnight. That's why this enhanced coffee works best when consumed within 30 minutes of waking, before your first meal. Consistency is the key. It's better to drink this coffee 5 days a week for a month than to have it every day for just 1 week and then stop. Muscles grow stronger through regular nutrition. So let's walk through the full morning ritual. Brew your regular 8 to 10 ounces of coffee. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 1 scoop of collagen peptides. Finally, stir in half to 1 teaspoon of MCT oil. For best results, give it a quick blend or a strong stir. Drink it within 30 minutes of waking up. Here's what you might notice. In the first week, more steady energy through the morning. By week 2, you may feel steadier on your feet. By weeks 3 or 4, many people report it's easier to stand up from chairs, climb stairs, and carry groceries. Everyone responds differently, but consistency and patience always pay off. Of course, before starting any new routine, especially if you take medications for blood thinning, diabetes, or digestion, check with your healthcare provider. These ingredients are generally safe, but your doctor knows your situation best. This enhanced coffee complements a healthy lifestyle. It doesn't replace medical care, but it gives your body the tools to stay strong, independent, and active. Let's quickly recap. Dark cocoa powder for circulation and muscle building, collagen peptides for repair and joint support, and MCT oil for clean, lasting energy. Combined with your morning coffee, they give your body exactly what it needs, right when it needs it. And the best part, you can start tomorrow morning with ingredients that probably cost less than 1 meal out. So, which of these 3 ingredients will you try first in your morning coffee? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, check out my video on 5 simple exercises you can do from your kitchen chair to strengthen your legs even faster. Remember, small, consistent changes create the biggest results. Here's to stronger days ahead.